Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you the use of the AI agent to do the vibe coding. You may have heard the term AI agent and vibe coding. Now I'll try to explain you practical implementation of the AI agent and the vibe coding. So how we will use the AI agent to do the vibe coding. Suppose we have a task to make a personal portfolio website. So we will not try to code ourselves, but we'll tell the AI agent to do the task for us. To perform this task of making the personal portfolio website, we'll first create a folder on our desktop, personal, personal portfolio website. Okay, we have made the folder. Now we'll try to access this folder using Visual Studio Code. It has open file, open folder, and personal portfolio website. We select it. It has opened it. Just to do the vibe coding in Visual Studio Code, we use a AI agent known as client. So a client extension. So I have downloaded the client extension. So it is present here. If you do not have the client extension, you can easily download it from here extension by going to the extension and searching the client. I have already installed it, so it is showing here. If you not, you can go to the here client and install it. So I have installed it. So I'll show you the use of it. To use the client, I have opened the client. To do the vibe coding to perform the task of creating portfolio website, we should give him command in simple language. Suppose you want to make a personal portfolio website using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, so we should tell him make make a simple personal portfolio website using dummy data. We are making a simple portfolio website, so it may not look attractive because if I had told him to make an attractive website, so it will take time. So I will be unable to show you the result. So that's why I'm giving the command make simple at portfolio website. Okay. So after writing command, you can see here there is two options, plan option and act option. So in these two options, what it does, first we have to click on plan option so that it can generate the necessary file needed to complete this task. So we will click on plan option. After clicking that, we should click on this option. So, so in background, what it does, we convert our simple command. It basically understand our simple command using the large language models. It client uses the various large language models. We can select many large language model from our task to perform. See here, currently I'm using the Google Gemini large language model, and you can select many options present here. Here is the option of DeepSeek also and OpenAI also. So I'm using the Google Gemini option. So I think it is using the lower version, but we can select from various options present here. Okay, and best option is the 2.5 Pro. I have used it, that's why I'm not using. I'm using this option. Okay. To use this, you need the Gemini API keys. So how will generate this Gemini API key? Because this Gemini API key is used to talk to the large language model of the Gemini. Okay, I will try to explain you. I think it has done the planning phase. It has done the planning phase, as you can see. Okay, I need to create a simple portfolio website. It is in plan mode detailing. It is telling me to go to the see here. It has done basically the plan page. We'll go to the act page and click on the this button. It will try to write code for us. As you can see, it has starting their job. Now I'll try to explain you how we can face this Gemini key, because without it we can't be able to use the Google Gemini AI agent. Okay, so we'll minimize it, and to fetch the Gemini API, we should go to our browser. You can see, should go to this option, console.cloud.google.com, and you'll go. You may see this interface. I am using it. I have login using my Google account. As you can see here, first you go to this option, my project. Initially, you can see option the my first project option. So to generate new API key, we should go to the new project, and after going to the new project option, and click the create option. It will create C259 in the last. It is creating. Okay, it has created it. There is one option I'm trying to explain an option here. As you can see here, auto approve option, we have to enable it to give him the command that you can do whatever it is needed to perform this task. Suppose we will give him command to use this command line, and you can tell him you can use the browser. Basically, we have here, you can see we have given him all the permission. Enable the auto approve. It automatically auto approve. It automatically toggle, or it automatically read the project files present in our application. It can edit it. That's why it is able to do type by itself, because we have given all the permission to use the browser, to launch the browser. Okay, so to use this, you should see that it all options are tick mark. That's why you can use this feature. Okay, so where I'm explaining here my project. Okay, so you should select the latest project here by clicking on it. After clicking on it, what you will do, you scroll down and you will see the option quick access API and the services. You should click on it. After clicking on it, you should go to the enable API and services. And after we should type the Gemini, because we are trying to fetch the API key of the Gemini. Here you can see Gemini option, Gemini API. You should click on it, and you should click on the enable option. After it gets enabled, you should click on this option, credential. After clicking on credential, you should click on create credential option, then API keys. It will create you the API key. So you should copy it by clicking on this button, or by selecting it. It has copied it by this option. Now you can go to your Visual Studio Code. I think it has completed my task. Okay. So after getting the API keys by copying it, before giving in command, you should ensure that your Gemini API key is filled, which you are currently copying it. You should paste it here, then click done, and you should ensure that you should use the latest model, which is the 2.5 Pro, is the highest version. You should select it, and then we use the Gemini API key and click on done button. Then you should give your command, whatever you like. Then you should do the plan phase. After planning phase complete, go to the act phase. I think my task has been completed. I will show it. See, it has completed our task. Now we can show it what it has created. There is the index.html page. See, this is the basic personal web portfolio website it has created. As you can see, home page, about page, project page. It is very simple website. That's why it will not take time, and it has made it. You can make complex website also by giving necessary command, whatever you like in your website. So I think I have explained the whole concept of the vibe coding. So vibe coding and the AI agent, practical implementation of the AI agent and vibe coding. I think you have understand it. Thank you for watching.